Hi loves, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So as you guys can see from the title, today we're going to be giving my curls a little love. I have been away for the last 2 weeks on vacation. I spent some time in Europe once again, and one of my last stops was in Spain. I'm going to talk all about my trip, but one of the things that I feel really affected my hair was the amount of time I spent in the ocean. My hair right now is not my friend. It lacks shine, it just feels stiff, it just needs a little bit of love. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some products that I'm going to be using to kind of bring my curls back to life because they definitely need it. So my hair is already freshly washed, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I give my curls a little extra love, keep on watching. Okay you guys, so like I said, I just shampooed and detangled my hair, and it's just not giving. It's not too bad because I just shampooed with some moisturizing products, but can you guys see how I have little to no shine in these curls right now? It just looks dull, and we need to bring the shine back because my curls are normally pretty shiny and they always look super healthy even when they're acting up. To start off my curls self-care routine, I am going to start by using a new product that I haven't tried but I've heard amazing things about. It's by the brand dpHUE and it's their gloss. It's in the shade Sheer Transparent, and it's supposed to be a nourishing gloss that's going to add a ton of shine and moisture to my curls. This is a semi-permanent hair color and deep conditioner. This actually doesn't have any color, it's just gloss, so it's gonna just add a ton of shine to my hair. It says it's gonna give your hair a healthy shine, rich color boost, and a deep condition in as little as 3 minutes. So this is supposed to give you a salon quality gloss at home. So since this doesn't have a color, it's just simply gonna give me the shine and hopefully the moisture and just bring my curls back to life because what is happening here? I have used dpHUE in the past and I really like their apple cider vinegar collection, so I'm looking forward to trying their gloss because I've seen amazing reviews, especially with the colored ones. Since I don't color my hair, I think the best option for me personally at the moment is just to use their clear gloss just to give my curls that added shine because look at this. This is not okay. I'm gonna go ahead and add a few pumps. Let's see what the texture feels like. It is brand new, I haven't tried it, so this is like first impression, and I'm excited. So it is like a cream formula. She's pretty thick. And she smells very fresh. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply it to the perimeter of my hair and then section my hair and evenly distribute it that way as well. But I just wanna add it to the perimeter and see how it feels. First impression, it's going on very soft. Very soft. Okay, a little more because you know this hair is thick. It definitely does not feel like a gloss. It just feels like a deep conditioner, just like a very nourishing conditioning product. So we love that. I'm also here for the at-home salon experience because one thing about me is if I don't have to leave my house I'm not going to. I am such a homebody these days, and if I could do everything at home, I will. That felt really nice. I'm gonna go in with the same amount on the other side. My hair is damp, even though it looks very frizzy. It is damp. My hair has looked like this since I've been home. So I feel like today is the day to give the curls a little love. The brush works seamlessly through my hair, which we love. Okay, all right, so let me go ahead and section off my hair and we're gonna work it into my hair in small sections. We're gonna start off by applying to the first section. I want to make sure to emphasize the product towards my ends because that is the driest part of my hair. But you also want to make sure you evenly distribute it because I did read on the bottle and people reviews online that it's important to take your time and just evenly distribute the product. They do have a wide variety of colors, so if you are someone who does dye their hair and want to get yourself like a revamp color-wise at home, they have a ton of colors, guys. They actually sent over black and brown, like dark brown, and I might actually try the dark brown and see what it does for my hair because my hair is definitely not black. I've tried braids in the shade of black and it's very obvious. Even though my hair might look super duper dark, it's actually against black hair. You can tell that it's actually not black. All right. First impression is it's very soft on my hair. Like I feel like it's a deep conditioner. About 3 pumps per section because my hair is feeling very dry. And as I add it, my hair is literally drinking this up. It's even adding a little definition too. Do you guys see that? From a gloss. I'm impressed. Take my time and repeat the same process throughout the rest of my hair. So I'll speed this part up because I'm just going to be doing the same exact thing, taking it section by section and working my way up. I'm going to keep it in my hair. We're going to rinse it out, see what it looks like, and then I'll let you know my final thoughts. Okay, you guys, so I just distributed the product throughout my hair, and look how moisturized my curls look. This is a gloss. This is literally a salon quality gloss, and it's giving me moisture, it's giving me definition, it's giving deep conditioner for sure. The way that this feels in my hair is so soft. So soft. These ends finally look a little hydrated. I will say that as I was applying it to my hair, I realized by spritzing a little bit of water, it helps me really distribute the product a lot better. Because my hair, even though it's low porosity, it does tend to dry in certain areas a little bit more quicker than other areas. I could not tell you why, but I did have the spray bottle handy and it helped a lot. So I was able to distribute the product a lot better, which in turn caused me to use less product. But overall, I really like the way it feels. I'm hoping to achieve the shine back because I definitely need to bring back the shine. Now, if we're looking at my curls right now, I feel like it's doing a little something already. So let's see. I suggest to keep it in between 3 to 20 minutes, which I kind of like that you can get the full benefits in 3 minutes, but I'm going to keep it in for 20 just because it's self-care day and we are not in a rush today. We're going to take our time. I'm going to put it in a little bun. I was applying it to my hair. I was putting my hair in a bun underneath so that way my hair stayed moisturized. I'm going to keep it in for 20 minutes and then rinse it out, and we're going to see what my hair looks like upon rinsing. Then I'm going to style, and then we're going to see what my curls look like in general. So yeah, I'll see you guys in 20 minutes. Okay, you guys, so it's been 20 minutes. We're going to go ahead and rinse it out, but I wanted to see how my curls look. They look very moisturized. Do you guys see this? I wanted to give you guys a close-up of how moisturized my curls look. This is really giving deep conditioner, but with that added gloss benefit. So let me rinse this out so we can see what my curls look like, and then we're going to style, and then go from there. Let's see what happens because I'm kind of excited. Guys, so I just rinsed out the product. First of all, my curls feel so soft. You could even start seeing some definition, and even, let me pull it so you can kind of see it more. Actually see some shine as well. I feel like there's a little bit more life to my curls. For sure. But I won't really know until I fully style my hair. So I think it's time to style. We're gonna go ahead and style, but I will say my hair does feel like I just deep conditioned, which is why I'm not gonna go in with a deep conditioner now. I was gonna keep the self-care thing going, but I'm gonna just go right into styling because my hair feels so soft. So let's just do that, because why add more product if my hair doesn't feel like it needs it? But this is what it's looking like. This is upon rinsing. I haven't added anything else to my hair, just water, and it's literally dripping all over my robe, but I want you guys to see my curls. I will say I'm definitely impressed with how soft it left my hair. I'm excited to see once I fully style and everything what my curls look like. If I can skip the deep conditioning step, I'm gonna go right into styling, and then I'll show you guys my final results once my hair is fully styled. I'm excited to see what it looks like. So for the sake of time, I'm gonna speed up right through this video and then show you guys my results at the end. Okay, you guys, so I fully styled my hair, and look at how shiny my wet results are. Do you guys see this shine? First of all, that combo I used was amazing, but I can't help but look at the shine. I'm gonna just give you guys a 360 because my curls definitely look way more alive than they did when I first showed you guys. Obviously I fully styled, but it was very easy to manage once I was applying product because it was already soft and moisturized. So I really like it. So far, so good. Let's see what my dry results look like. I already feel like it's gonna be good. So let me go ahead and dry my hair, and I'll show you guys my final results. So the hair is done, as you guys can see. Look at this shine. Let's take a moment for this shine. And I decided not to scrunch out my crunch in my hair. I left the cast on there. And even with the cast, my hair is very flowy and very soft. It's not as stiff. You guys saw how my wet results looked. I did not scrunch it out. I didn't touch it. I wanted you guys to see what it looked like right after drying my hair. I did opt to sit in the hooded dryer this time, and the shine and the moisture and definition is definitely there. I'm very much obsessed. I finally feel like my curls came back to life. The way I needed this moisture boost, you guys have no idea. Look at this shine, you guys. I'm gonna show you from the back, but I haven't scrunched the crunch. So there's a little parting section there. Look at this. Look at how shiny. My curls feel so healthy. They feel so soft. I'm gonna do a little close-up so you guys can really see it. I am very much obsessed with how everything turned out. I love it. They do come in different colors as well. I most likely might try the dark brown or maybe the black if I'm feeling bold. I'm definitely gonna keep going after this one because I mean, the results speak for themselves. If you guys are interested in trying any of dpHUE's gloss products, you can pick them up at dpHUE.com. But that's all for today's video. Go ahead and comment down below your thoughts on how you think my results turned out, because I personally see a drastic difference, especially with where we started earlier today. So let me know what you guys think. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.